Irrigation at the most basic level is moving water from point A to point B. In most of your home environments, there's probably a point C, D, E, F, and on and on. To move that water, we need to choose the highway, and most systems utilize two types of pipe, PVC and/or polyethylene pipe. They're very easy to distinguish. One is white and rigid, the other is black and flexible. Both come in a variety of sizes and lengths, and typically larger sizes are utilized for runs from the source to the start of the delivery system. More on that in a minute. A few details to understand. First, white PVC pipe comes in a number of thicknesses, and the term typically used is schedule. The higher the schedule, the thicker the pipe wall. Typically, Schedule 80 pipe is used for longer supply runs, and the thinner Schedule 40 is used for your sprinkler zones or watering zones. You can easily identify the pipe by the printed text on the outer shell. You can see it up here in the PVC photo. Most gardeners are familiar with the above ground use of black poly drip pipe. It's typically not used underground because it's very flexible, but note you can buy thick poly for underground runs through tricky areas with existing underground structures like rocks, stumps, etc. Poly's easy to work with, and your local stores will carry all the right sizes for your projects.